Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the inverse of a matrix. Now, given a square matrix, square matrix given a square matrix A M cross N, given a square matrix A M cross N, if there exists another matrix B, if there exists another matrix B such that AB equal to I equal to BA, such that AB equal to I equal to BA, then B is said to be inverse of A, and it can be written as B equal to A inverse. It can be written as B equal to A inverse. Now, properties 1. Now, property first, A inverse equal to adjoint A by determinant A. This is a formula to find the inverse of the matrix A. Now, we know that A of adjoint A equal to determinant of A into ion pre-multiplied by the A inverse here. A inverse A adjoint A, and A inverse determinant A and ion here. Now A inverse A cancel adjoint A equal to determinant A and inverse of A into determinant A, and now A inverse equal to adjoint A by determinant A, where determinant A does not equal to 0. Now property second, inverse of a non-singular matrix diagonal K1, K2, K3 dot Kn is the diagonal matrix of K1 inverse, K2 inverse, K3 inverse dot Kn inverse. Now here inverse of a non-singular matrix of diagonal this. Let us suppose that A is a matrix of diagonal K1, K2, K3. Here we take only 3 elements. Now this is a Kn element, but here the n cross n matrix, but here only 3 elements in the diagonal. So that determinant of A we expand this with respect to K taking this K2, K3 minus 0, so that rest 2 element of this matrix is 0, so that determinant of A is K1, K2 and K3. Now adjoint A, we take the matrix of the cofactor of these elements and adjoint any cofactor of corresponding element and transpose matrix that is known as adjoint A, so that we get the adjoint A equal to K2 K3 because we take K1 then K2 K3, and if you take K2 K1 K3 here, and this is with respect to this K1 K2 comes here. Now adjoint A बराबर this, so that I will know that inverse of matrix A is adjoint A by determinant adjoint A by determinant A, and this is adjoint A, this is adjoint A matrix here, adjoint A by determinant A, value of determinant equal to K1 K2 K3, so that in the determinant case we divide this element to each element K1 K2 K3 by K1 K2, 0 by this K1 K3 by K1 K2 K3 and K1 K2 by K1 K2 K3, so that cancel K2 K3 in the first case 1 by K1, second case 1 by K2 and third here 1 by K3, so that A inverse equal to this. And now here is a diagonal matrix of K1 inverse, K2 inverse, K3 inverse, Kn inverse. It means that we get the inverse of the inverse of A is K1 inverse, K2 inverse, K3 inverse. Here only see 3 cross 3 matrix, but if you take the n cross n matrix, in this case diagonal element comes K1 inverse, K2 inverse, K3 inverse, Kn inverse. So that property second. Now here question number 1. If matrix A is 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1, then so that A square minus 4A minus 5 equal to 0, where I and 0 are the unit matrix and null matrix of order 3 respectively. Use the result to find the A inverse with the help of this. First of all, we show that this A square minus 4A minus 5 equal to 0. Now given that A equal to here 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 here, this is a matrix A, 3 cross 3 matrix here. Now we have to show that A square minus 4A minus 5 so that now A square equal to A cross A. It means that here A 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 here into A cross A here. Now 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 here, so that now here in this case row by column method, only one method to applicable in the matrix multiplication, row by column method here. Row by column method, row means 1 1 1, row by column 1 1 2 2 2 2, and here also 2 2 2 2, row by column method. Now here 1 1 2 2 1 and 2 2. Row by column method here 1 2 1 2 1 2 2 2 and 2 1. Row by column 2 1. Row by column method and 2 here 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 2 2 row by column method 2 2 2 1 1 and 2 2. Row by column method here 2 2 2 2 2 2 1 2 1 2 and 2 1. Row by column method and 2 1 2 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 1 2. Here 2 2 2 2 2 row by column method 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 1 2. Here 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 and 1 1. Now here 1 1 the 1, 2 2 the 4, 2 2 the 4, this is 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, this is 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2, this 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 2 the 4, 1 1 the 1, 2 2 the 4, 2 2 the 4, 1 2 the 2, 2 1 the 2. Here 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 1 2 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2, 1 2 the 2, and 2 2 the 4, 2 2 the 4, and 1 1 the 1. This is equal to here 4 4 8, 4 4 8. We can write here 4 4 8 1 9, 4 2 6 2 8, 4 2 6 2 8, 4 2 6 2 8, 4 4 8 1 9, 4 2 6 2 8, 4 2 6 2 8, 4 2 6 2 8, 4 4 8 1 9. Now then show that a square minus 4a minus 5i equal to 0. Here a square minus 4a minus 5i. Now here putting this, a square comes here, 9 8 8 8 9 8 8 8 8 9 minus 4 a is this 1 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 2 and 2 2 1 minus 5 I identical matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now simplify here, 9 8 8 8 9 8 8 8 9 minus multiply this in each element so that this is equal to 4 1 जा 4 4 2 जा 8 4 2 जा 8 4 2 जा 8 4 1 जा 4 4 2 जा 8 4 2 जा 8 4 2 जा 8 and 4 1 जा 4 minus 5 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. Now here in this case matrix, this is negative, so that we subtract each element 9 4, this is negative 4 5 9 minus 9 equal to 0, so that this is 0 8 8 minus 8 minus 0 and 0. This is also 8 minus 8 0. Here 8 minus 8 minus 0 and 0. 9 minus 4 or minus 5 minus 9 and 9 minus 9. This is also equal to 0. This is 0. 8 minus 8 minus 0 0. 8 minus 8 minus 0 0. And 9 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9, this is equal to 0. So that a square minus a square minus 4a minus 5i equal to 0. Here then show that this is equal to 0. This is proved. Now a square minus 4a minus 5i equal to 0. Now minus 5i comes here. Minus 5i comes here, so that 5i equal to a square minus 4 है. We transport the side of 5a, so that 5i equal to a square minus 4a. Multiply a inverse, we get multiply a inverse, we get in both sides 5 here a inverse, so that 5 a inverse equal to, this is equal to a minus, this is equal to 4 I. This is for I. Now putting here A equal to this 1 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 1 2 and 2 2 1 2 2 1. This is a minus 4 I 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now therefore A inverse equal to this comes here 1 by 5 and this is comes here minus here 4 4 4 and subtract in this case, so that here comes 4, so that this comes 1 by 5 and 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4, this is a 2 and this is a 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1 minus 4 here, this is a 2, this comes 2, this is also 2 and this comes 1 minus 4 here, so that this comes minus 3 and 1 by 5 to multiply each element, so that minus 3 by 5, this is 2 by 5, this is also 2 by 5, this is equal to 2 by 5, this is equal to minus 3 by 5, this is equal to here in this case, that is equal to, now in this case here is also 2, so that this is equal to 2 by 5, this is equal to 2 by 5, this is equal to 2 by 5 and this is equal to minus 3 by 5. This is a matrix of A inverse equal to this. Now this is our result. A inverse equal to minus 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5. This is A inverse of the matrix A answer. Now we take second problem. Now question number second. Solve the following system of equations using matrix methods: x plus 2y plus z equal to 7, x plus 3z equal to 11, and 2x minus 3y equal to 1. Such type of equation are solved with the help of Cramer rule as well as matrix methods. Cramer rule are we also solve the such type of questions with the help of Cramer rule in the determinant video. Here we solve this question with the help of matrix methods. Now these equations can be written as x plus 2y plus z equal to 7 and x plus y terms are sent here, so that y product of y is 0, x plus 0y plus 3z equal to this, and 2x minus 3y minus here 0z equal to 1. Now here it can be written as product of this 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 0 3 2 minus 3 and 0 here, and x y z equal to d1 d2 d3 and 7 11 and 1. Now it can be written as ax equal to b, where a is equal to these terms and x is equal to x y z and b equal to these terms a x b. Now we calculate the determinant of A. This is matrix determinant of A. We write this element 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 0 3 2 minus 3 0. Expand this here with respect to the one row, plus minus plus plus and one step here, deleting this and this 0 3 and minus 3 0 here, and plus minus 2, deleting this and this 1 3 and 2 0 1 3 and 2 0, plus minus plus 1, deleting this and this 1 0 and 2 minus 3. Now this is 1 0 minus and 3 3 is 9. This is a minus plus 9 minus 2. This is equal to 0 and minus 3 to the 6 and 1 here, and this is a minus 3 minus 2 0 the 0, so that this is 9, this is a 6 to the 12 plus, and this is a minus 3, so that this is equal to 18. Now determinant of A is a numbers, so that given system of equation has unique solution given by x equal to here, x equal to A comes here, A inverse B, x equal to A inverse B. Now we calculate the A inverse. A inverse means a joint by determinant, and a joint that is a transpose matrix of cofactor, so that we calculate the cofactor of H element here. A is this. Now 1 2 1 1 0 3 2 minus 3 and 0. Now we calculate the cofactor of H term. This is a plus, this is minus, this is a plus, this is minus, this is a plus, this is minus, this is a plus, this is a minus, this is a plus. Now cofactor of this is a C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. Now C11 cofactor of this cofactor of 1, deleting this and this 0 3 and minus 3 0, 0 3 and minus 3 0. Multiply here, this is 0 minus and minus 3 into 3, this is a minus 9 minus plus 9, so that C12, this is a C12, deleting this and this 1 3 and 2 0, 1 3 and 2 0, and this is a minus here, this is a 0 minus 3 to the 6, minus plus 6. Now cofactor of C13, this is deleting this and this 1 0 and 2 minus 3, 1 0 and 2 minus 3, 3 1 is 3 minus 3 is minus 2 into 0 0, so that this is minus 3. Now cofactor of C21, deleting this and this 2 1 and minus 3 0, 2 1 and minus 3 0, this is a minus here, so that this is a 0 minus plus 3, this is a due to this minus 3. Now cofactor of C22, there is 0, deleting this and this 1 1 and 2 0, 1 1 and 2 0, this is 0 minus 2, this is equal to minus 2. Now cofactor of C2 3. Similarly, we calculate the cofactor of H star. Now matrix of cofactors, so that matrix of cofactor 1 here 1 2 and 6 3 6 9 6 minus 3 9 6 minus 3 minus 3 minus 2 7 minus 3 minus 2 minus plus 7 6 minus 2 minus 2. Here matrix of cofactor, so that we know that inverse of A equal to adjoint of A, but the determinant of A, adjoint A is the transpose matrix of cofactor, transpose matrix, so that adjoint A, transpose matrix row convert into column 9 6 minus 3 9 6 minus 3 minus 3 minus 2 7, row convert column minus 3 minus 2 7, and row convert column 6 minus 2 minus 2 6 minus 2 minus 2. This is a jointed determinant A. Determinant A, we have calculate determinant of A equal to 18, so that X is equal to A inverse, X equal to A inverse B. Now X equal to A inverse B, A inverse B here, so that now A inverse equal to 1 by 18 as this 1 by 18 of these terms. In this case, now we will apply row by column method multiplication. This row by 3 cross 3 and 3 cross 1, so that you will get this. After solving the 36, 18 and this, and multiply 1 by 18, that is a 2, 1 and 3. So that x, y, z is equal to 2, 1, 3, and x barabar 2, y barabar 1, and z barabar 3. This is our answer. Now like and subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.